How to boot TCL 10L in recovery mode. First, turn off the phone. Next, press and hold the power and volume down buttons until you see the TCL logo. After a few seconds, it will load in the bootloader menu. Use the volume up and down buttons to navigate. Select the recovery mode and click the power button for confirmation. Next, the recovery mode will boot with options. Use the volume up and down buttons to navigate. Select the desired option and press the power button for confirmation. To exit, choose Reboot System Now and press the power button. How to reset network settings on TCL 10L. First, navigate to Settings app. Next, scroll down and click Systems. Next, scroll down and tap the Reset option. Next, from the menu, select and click the Network Reset option. Next, tap Reset Settings. Finally, click Reset Settings. After a few seconds, you will get the message that the network settings have reset. How to restart the TCL 10L. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds and touch restart on the screen. How to boot TCL 10L in safe mode. First, press the power button for 2 seconds and on the screen, press and hold the power off option. A message will prompt you to reboot in safe mode. Press the safe mode button. Now the device will load in the safe mode. To exit the safe mode, press the power button and touch restart.